Hello and welcome to SMS Marketing Tutorials. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to get started with mass text messaging. Using mass texting service, you can send messages to groups of people at once. Let's get started. Log onto the dashboard using your credentials. Click on Subscribers. Then click on the plus button to create a new list. Give the list a name. This is for internal reference only. Before we add contacts to our list, let's edit our custom fields. Custom fields are additional data you can upload to personalize a message. To edit custom fields, click on Actions at the top. Then click on Update Custom Fields. You can edit the custom fields as you'd like depending on what your needs might be. Now, let's add contacts to the list. Click on Subscribers and select the particular list from the drop-down. Click the Upload CSV button. You can either add contacts manually by typing in the name and phone number. The email and other custom fields are optional. You can also import the contacts as CSV or Excel files. Make sure to review the format of the sample CSV or Excel spreadsheet format. The file should be formatted as the following sample file. Mobile numbers should be the first field, name should be the second. Email address, if available, should be the third field, and any custom fields should follow. Each contact should be separated by line feed. Click on Upload a file to select the file you want to import. Be sure to check the No Spam Declaration checkbox before importing contacts. As you can see, all contacts from the sample file have been added. Now, click on the Save button to save contacts to the list. Now, let's see how to send a mass text message using the list we just created. On the top left, click on the plus New button. Then click on New Mass Text. Enter a broadcast name. Again, this is for internal use only. Select who you would like to send the message to. You can send it to a list or enter the numbers manually. We are going to use the list we just created. Type in your message in the message field. You can add a click-through URL and even personalize your messages by adding tags. You can either send it now or schedule it for future delivery. Let's see how to send an MMS message. Click on the MMS option in the text field. Enter the subject, text message, and select the file you'd like to send, and click on Done. Choose when you want to send the message and click on Next. On the confirmation page, you can verify the text message broadcast information. Click on Done if it all looks okay. To check the broadcast status, click on Broadcast Messages Report. The report will provide you with the status of your broadcast. You can pause or restart your broadcast as well if your broadcast has not been properly processed yet or if it was a future scheduled event. Thanks for watching.